right? So let's take a look at this diagram here. So in the diagram of circle O, M triangle JKL, so the angle M is equal to 72. So talking about this angle here, what is the value of x? So x here, I believe, is defined as JOL. So if we have another triangle, JOL, that's the x angle. So let's redraw the diagram over here to better understand the question. So we have a circle over here. So this is a perfect circle. And then we have a triangle, like so. And we have the center of the circle. It's not quite the center. So somewhere over here. Okay. We have an angle here of 72. So this is M. 72. So 72, and then we have the triangle here is labeled J, K, L. So there's a point here that's tangent to the circle, and a point here tangent to the circle. And then we have something like this, and then we have the angle X over here. Okay. So I'm going to erase the label for the angle X, just so it doesn't get in our way. So up here is supposed to be a J. So to find what the angle over here is, we have to relate the angle M to that angle. And one thing to note is from the center of the circle to tangent to the circle, we know that anything tangent to the circle will be a right angle. So right away, we've defined two angles that can help us out in relating M to X. The other thing that we have to do here is draw a line across. So this gives us, splits the four-sided polygon into two triangles. So we have two right angle triangles. We know for any one triangle, the angle has to equal 180 degrees. So the sum of all the angles of the triangle has to equal 180 degrees. Because we have two triangles here, we can multiply this by 2. So we know the sum of all the angles in the polygon, the four-sided polygon, should equal 360. So we have four angles here. We have one angle here, 72. So we can just put that right in. And then the next angle we have is 90. And then we also have another 90. And then we have angle X. So we have plus 90. Let me just write this a little smaller so it's all in one line. So we said we have 72 plus 90. So we have 90 twice, so we'll just multiply that by 2. Actually, this might get confusing, so I'll just leave them separate. And we also have X. So we can add up 72, 90, and 90. So 90 plus 90 is 180. And then adding on 72 should give us 252, I believe. So I'll just plug that into our calculator to double check. 172 plus 180. So 252. Yep, that's correct. We have plus X. Will give us 360. So we have X is equal to 360 minus 252. So we subtract 252 from both sides of the equation. And that will give us 108. So this is our final answer. The angle x will equal 108 degrees. Okay. So they follow so yeah, they define the same parameters here, and they say for the quadrilateral, the total angle should be 360, so similar to us, and then they evaluate for the angle JOL, which is just angle X as defined in the diagram above, so JOL, angle X is over here, and then they get the angle 100, so that's the correct answer. All right, so there we go.